In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a route on Apple Maps on your iPhone. Whether you're preparing for a road trip, trying to find the quickest walking path, or figuring out how to get from A to B using public transit, this guide will walk you through the simple steps you need to know to make it happen. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. It's that familiar icon with the colourful map that most of us already recognise. Tap on it to open, and once you're in, you'll find yourself on the default map screen displaying your current location. Now, it's time to enter your starting location. This could be your current location if you're setting off right away, but if not, simply type in wherever you plan to start your journey. This entry goes into the search bar at the top of the screen. Once your starting point is set, tap Directions. This is the crucial step where we start getting into the nitty-gritty of planning our route. After you hit the Directions button, there will be a prompt for your destination. Again, type into the search bar the place you want to go. This can be an address, a point of interest, or even just the name of a city or town. Apple Maps makes it pretty straightforward and usually offers suggestions as you type that can save you some time. Now, with your starting point and destination in place, it's time to choose your mode of transport. Apple Maps offers several options. You might see choices for driving, walking, cycling, transit, or even ride services like Uber or Lyft. Each mode will give you a different route based on how you plan to travel. Tap on the icon for your preferred mode to have the app adjust the route accordingly. This is a great feature because it will highlight the optimal path for your selected mode, considering things like traffic for cars or bike paths for cyclists. Finally, once you've chosen your mode of transport and are satisfied with the route, it's time to get going. Simply tap Go. Apple Maps will then begin providing turn-by-turn navigation, guiding you along the route you've selected. At any point, you can adjust your route by looking at alternate paths or changing your transport mode if needed, but for now, you're all set to hit the road. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to creating a route on Apple Maps using your iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy navigating.